In this video, you'll learn how to crop an image in Mailchimp. This process will guide you through selecting an image, accessing the cropping tool, and adjusting your image to fit your needs effectively. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage in your web browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. Once the dashboard appears, you will see various options for managing your campaigns and audience. Next, locate and click on the Create button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Email to start designing your email campaign. The screen will then redirect you to the email creation interface. After that, click on Design Email to proceed to the email design options. This will take you to a selection screen where you can choose how to create your email. Look for a template that suits your needs, then click on it to proceed to the design editor. Once the design editor opens, you might need to close a pop-up that appears. Click on the Close button to dismiss it. This will allow you to focus on the email design area without distractions. Now, you should see your selected template in the design editor. Click on Design Email again to access the editing tools available. This option will open the design toolbar where you can manage various elements of your email. Next, select a template from the options displayed. Choose one that aligns with your campaign goals. After making your selection, click on Apply to confirm your choice. This action will set the template for your email. At this point, find the image you wish to crop and click on it. A toolbar should appear presenting various editing options. Click on Crop to access the cropping tool, allowing you to adjust the image dimensions. You will see options for cropping styles. Click on Square to create a square crop. This will adjust your image to a perfect square format. If you prefer a different aspect ratio, you can also choose horizontal for a wider crop. If you want to revert to the original image, click on Original to restore it. This is useful if you need to start the cropping process over. After selecting an aspect ratio, drag the slider to crop the image to your desired size. Adjust the cropping area by moving the slider until you have the desired view. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.